A very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome to DAV Public School, Kukatpalli. Today we are going to learn in social science about learning about works. Before that, I would like to share about Ramu and Somu. Ramu and Somu are two children. They are brothers. They like to eat fruits. One day, Ramu's father brought 10 apples, and in that, one apple was not good. It was rotten. He has kept that apple separate and 9 apples together in a basket. He called Ramu and told him to keep all the 9 apples in a basket. Then he called Somu to keep that one apple in between the 9 good apples. Then he told Somu, can you find out which is the apple rotten, which is a rotten apple, which apple is not good? Somu said, Daddy, all the apples are looking alike. I can't find out. Then Daddy said, you both are good children. You have all good qualities. So, always practice only good qualities. If one bad quality enters, then your 9 good qualities, which are your 9 good qualities and which is your bad quality, you will not be able to know. So, better always follow good manners and always be good children, he said. Then Ramu and Somu said, Daddy, we will be like the good apples. Always we learn only good things. Don't worry about us. Daddy felt very happy. So children, you also should be always good children. Learn good things, learn good manners. That is a very, very good thing you will do for yourself and to your family members also. You learn good things, your parents are very happy and you also will feel very happy. Yes. There is a puzzle. You can just read the questions and write the answers. If you can insert them in the box, you insert. If not, just read the questions and write the answer. Grows vegetables, they sell in stores. Who will grow? Farmer. Farmer grows crop for us. Farmer grows crops for us. Catches the bad guys. Who will catch the thief? Policeman. Policeman. Delivers your mail to your house. Who will deliver the mails to your house? There is a person called mailman. His name is mailman. The courier boy who comes to your house and gives the mails. Takes care of you if you get sick. Doctor. Assist the doctor. Doctor means assistance. Nurse. Spends a lot of time in the courtroom. Lawyer. Lawyer spends a lot of time in the court. Helps people to learn new things. Teacher. Teacher is holding a ruler to draw lines. In the picture, there is a ruler. Teacher is holding in a hand. FAR farmer, he grows crops for us. Policeman helps us to catch the thieves. Mailman delivers our mails to us. Nurse assists the doctor. Doctor treats the sick people. Lawyer, he works in a court. Teacher teaches you new things. animals when they are sick. They gave W-V-E-T, vet. You can take it as veterinary doctor also, V-E-T, vet. Can fly fix your car when it breaks? Who will fix your car when it breaks? Mechanic. Who will fix it? Mechanic. Veterinary doctor. V-E-T. They gave only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes only there. V-E-T-E. R-I-N-A. Or veterinary doctor. Or you can write only V-E-T, vet. No harm. Because we got only 3 boxes there. Can fix your car when it breaks. Mechanic. Your two-wheeler or four-wheeler, any break or any repair comes, mechanic will be treating it. Puts out fires. We'll see a fire engine and there will be a person sitting there who put out the fire. He is called as fireman. Can help you with your pipes. So when your pipe is leaking, he will help you. Plumber. Helps people find books in the library. In our school also we have librarian. Stars in movies. He will work in films. Who is the person who will work in films? Actor. He is called as actor. Answer the phone at a business. So you will have secretary to answer the call. Secretary. Cooks food in a restaurant. Chef. Actor who acts in films. Secretary who attends the phone calls. Chef who cooks food. Veterinary doctor who takes care of animals when they are sick. Mechanic who repairs our vehicles. Fireman put out the fires. Librarian who helps you in giving the books in the library. Plumber who repairs your taps. So the vocabulary in this lesson are, take out your class book and write each word 5 times neatly. Leave one line in between. Write today's date. Leave one line in between. And write each word 5 times. Learning about works. First word. First we are going to write vocabulary. occupation. First word is occupation. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Livelihood. We need food, water, shelter for our daily life. It is called livelihood, the necessary things what we need for our day-to-day activities. Medical tourism. People from different parts of India comes to India for medical tourism. Because Indian doctors are world famous. Architect, he will make plans for bridges, buildings, houses, everything he will make designs. Engineer, so you are seeing Electrical Sridharan, who has helped in metro. He was called as Metro Man. He was behind the success for metro train, Electrical Sridharan. And his team followed three key rules: discipline, honesty, and punctuality. Discipline, honesty, and punctuality. Discipline, honesty, and punctuality. So, lesson 6, learning about works. And the vocabulary in this lesson are occupation, livelihood, medical tourism, architect, engineer, discipline, honesty, and punctuality. Write each word 5 times. Leave one line in between and write neatly. After writing the words, please check the spellings. Please check the spellings, children. Each word write 5 times. Write neatly, children. Read the spellings. Leave one line in between. Check your spellings. Occupation, livelihood, medical tourism, architect, engineer, discipline, punctuality, honesty. You can write punctuality, honesty, or honesty and punctuality. Both are okay. The 3 key rules followed by E. Sridharan and his team are discipline, honesty, and punctuality. Go to the next page. Write date and page number. Fill in the blanks. Engineers play an important role in the progress of a country. The development of a country depends upon whatever new constructions are going on, whatever new developments are going on, bridges, machines, houses, buildings, all these, what is the progress is going on decides the progress of a country. That is also one of a factor. So engineers play an important role in it. Engineers, fill in the blanks, each fill in the blanks, write 2 times. Play an important role in the progress of a country. Engineers play an important role in the progress of a country. So they work day and night and they do the projects to make the progress of a country, development of a country. Engineers play an important role in the progress of a country. Each fill in the blanks, please write 2 times. Shall we go on to the next? Farmers, they are the backbones of a country. Every day we are surviving only by eating food. Yes, food is essential for our daily life. Who gives us the food? Farmers. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages because they have land and they will work in their fields. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Nowadays, people are moving from villages to cities and they are taking up different types of jobs to earn money. In the last class also I told, every day after eating, thank God, thank your mother, as well as thank the farmers who are giving us food. Shall we move on to the next one, children? Each fill in the blanks, please write 2 times. Doctors look after our health by giving us medicines. Doctors look after, you can put a bracket or you can put dot, both are okay. Okay, either you can write this way or that way. Doctors look after our health by giving us medicines. and they take care of our health. Health is wealth. Take care of our health. Doctors look after our health by giving us medicines. Doctor will prescribe medicines and he will tell the diet also. And he will tell the exercise what we have to do. He will guide us. And nurses are there to assist the doctors. Have you written, children? We will move on to question and answers. Look at the three Phillips ones. Engineers play an important role in the progress of a country. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Doctors look after our health by giving us medicines. Now there are three question answers in this lesson. In the beginning, I have introduced a puzzle to you that is only for reading purpose. You need not copy down the puzzle in your classwork. It is only for motivating you. You will get interest about learning about works and you will be able to say many occupations. Answer the following. What is an occupation? What is an occupation? Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Write each question one time and answer two times. Leave one line in between. Leave one line in between. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Write the question one time and answer two times. What is an occupation? Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Some occupations doesn't need training, like handcart pullers, potters, porters, sweepers. But some jobs, they need training. You go for a training only, you can do those works. Name four occupations that need formal training. Name four occupations that need Formal training. Can you name them, children? Pilot. Question one time and answer two times. Write neatly. Engineer. Architect. Lawyer. You can write any other occupations also which needs formal training like doctor, scientist, astronaut. Write two terms, children. Question one term and answer two terms. Name four occupations that need formal training. Pilot, engineer, architect, lawyer. You can write any occupations of your choice which needs formal training. But you should write correct spellings. Write the question one time and answer two times. Write neatly and leave one line in between. What lesson do you learn from Mr. Sridharan and his team? There are three keywords. Mr. Sridharan and his team as followed. What lesson do you learn from Mr. Sridharan and his team? We learn discipline, honesty, and punctuality are the three keywords to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. We learn discipline, honesty, and punctuality are the three words to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. And this team, I am putting it on top, children. The continuation of this answer. We learn discipline, honesty, and punctuality are the three keywords to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. Once again, I give the answer. As there is little bit replace problem, I will write once again. We learn discipline, honesty and punctuality are the three keywords to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. So, pilot, lawyer, we learn discipline, honesty and punctuality are the three keywords to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. Look at the answer once. What lesson do you learn from Mr. Sridharan and his team? We learn discipline, honesty and punctuality are the three keywords to success from Mr. Sridharan and his team. Map skills. On your political map of India, color and locate the following. Copy down the question from the screen. Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Karnataka, Haryana, Arunachal Pradesh. Your state. Which state we are living in? Telangana. Our neighboring state, Andhra Pradesh. Our western state, Goa. Eastern state of India, Odisha. Copy down the question from the screen. Look at the map. Kerala. What is the first place given here? Kerala. So, you can see Kerala here. In the southern side, K-E-R-A-L-A. Please write K-E-R-A-L-A. Look at the map and write, children. Please look at the map and locate and color it. K-E-R-A-L-A. Kerala. Himachal Pradesh. Look at the map given here and locate Himachal Pradesh. Assam, Karnataka. Assam. Locate Assam here. A-S-S-A-M, Assam. Karnataka. Already have located Kerala. On top of Kerala, you write Karnataka. K-A-R-N-A-T-A-K-A. Karnataka. Karnataka is in the southern part of India. Haryana. So here Haryana. Already you have located Rajasthan in the first lesson. Haryana. Please look at Haryana. Arunachal Pradesh. See here, Arunachal Pradesh. A-R-U-N-A-C-H-A-L, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Next is your state. Mark Telangana. 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 Mark your state. Locate your state and color it. Our neighboring state. So Telangana neighbors are Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka. All are our neighbors only. Out of these, for any one you can write. If you write Andhra Pradesh also correct, Karnataka also correct, Maharashtra also correct, Chhattisgarh also correct. Odisha also you can write. Our western state, Goa. Goa is located in the west of India, west side. And eastern state, Odisha, which is in the east side of India. Eastern part of our state also. Odisha. After locating the map, once again check the spellings, once again check the places and color them. And Telangana, the famous river which flows in Telangana is Godavari. So in Telangana state only, we can show Godavari. So any work done to earn money is called an occupation. Some occupations needs special training. Some occupations that doesn't require any training, and we have to follow discipline, honesty and punctuality. They are the 3 keywords for our success. Okay children, have a good day. Thank you.